Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. I definitely do. So we're doing a get ready with me today, and I decided to, I know I mentioned in my unboxing video that I wasn't sure if I was going to keep this palette from Jeffree Star. It is the new Star Ranch palette. Anyone who got any of the larger mystery boxes, this was one of the items that we got. Now, this is not going to be released to everyone else until later in the year. I don't know when. You know, I'm like, I just decided to keep this. And I'm going to play with it today with you. And just see how it performs, see what the colors are like, see if the formula is up to par with his other formulas. And it is a really, really pretty palette. This is what the packaging looks like. And it's got a nice little mirror in it. And of course, these are the colors. So we're going to play with these, have a little bit of fun, and I'm also going to play a little more with my new Extreme Frost palette. In addition to that, I've got a lip liner and a couple of lippies that we're going to play with. And just kind of finish off my look today. So let's just get right to it, dive right in, and start playing. Now, definitely let me know, did you get this palette? Are you excited about it? Are you keeping it? Are you passing it along? Let me know. Put it down in the comments. Okay, so a lot of this video, I will fast forward or, you know, kind of speed up some of the sections as I'm applying things so it doesn't take forever to get through this video. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is pretty much go in with this color right here, more like a transition shade, and then probably deepen the crease and everything up a little bit here with this one, and then we're going to start going in and playing with some of these blues. So let's go. Okay, it's looking pretty pigmented. Okay, so that laid down really nicely, and I'm kind of obsessed with this color, but I am, either way, I love neutrals, so it's not a surprise. Okay, now I'm going to go in with that darker brown and put that right in the crease. Okay, now I got a fluffier brush. I'm going to just blend out some of these edges. Okay, now we're going to dive into some color. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is add some of this brown right here to my outer corner just to give it a tad of shimmer. And then I think I'm going to go with this one and this one on my lid. And then maybe this one all the way in the inside corner. Let's try that. Okay, dry brush worked great. Okay, now I'm going to add a little bit of that green. Now that light blue. Okay, hold on. I think I'm going to switch this up a little bit. Okay, I am going to add that teal blue. I think I'm going to go over the green. Okay, so you really can't tell much of a difference between the teal and the light blue, but that's okay. I'm going now in with the royal blue. Okay, I think that's kind of cool. Now I'm just going to blend these a little bit more with the same flat brush. Usually just some tapping, and then brush very lightly one way and then the other way. Okay, I'm going in with the blender to just very lightly blend these edges on the shimmers. Okay, I actually like it. Next, I'm going to do my under eye. And I'm starting off with that matte dark brown. And now I'm going to go in with the teal. Now, some electric bright teal blue eyeliner in my waterline. Okay, I'll be right back and put some mascara on. Okay, mascara's on. I think it looks pretty cool. I like the neutrals with the pop of color with the blue. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to pop a little lipstick on, or the lippies, and then a tad Extreme Frost. So this is the lippy I got in my Supreme Mystery box. Here is the color. Now, a lot of times I'll actually use just a lip liner to initially put a base color on my lips and then top it with a lip gloss. So that's kind of what I'm doing today. Not only am I lining my lips, but I'm going to partially fill them in. So you'll see. There we go. So this area here, I pretty much just kind of leave open. This is the gloss I got in my Supreme box. And this one is, I think, Heaven's Gate. Okay, so I like doing that. It's, you know, it's not very dramatic, but with a really nice gloss, I feel like it looks so pretty, and it's not like boom in your face. Okay, last but not least, we're going to pop in with a little bit of the Extreme Frost. I'm going to use this brush right here. It's kind of a cross between a little highlighter brush and a blending brush, because it is really teeny, but I want to use it because I kind of want more targeted application of my highlighter. It's so friggin' pretty. Voila. Okay, so I'm actually super happy that I ended up doing this Get Ready With Me with the Star Ranch palette, because now I went from, you know, kind of considering not keeping it and, you know, giving it to one of you guys. Now over to, I actually love it. What do you think? But overall, I'm really happy. It's a combination of the neutrals that I love and then a pop of color. So, if you're debating on keeping this palette, I highly recommend keeping it. It's really good. It performs amazing. And the colors are just incredible. All right, that's it. Thank you guys, as always, for coming to hang out with me during another one of my videos. I do appreciate you so much. And just a reminder, I am not an MUA. I'm not a professional anything when it comes to beauty or makeup. I just love it in general. And I do the best I can. I am far from perfect in the looks that I do. Love you guys bunches. Take care and have a great week. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.